This canoe is about 52 years old, and it's been abused in the sense that it's been left outside by me, my fault. But it's been left outside for God, oh my God, at least 30 years. At least 30 years. So, you know what? I haven't used it in 30 years. Never throw a canoe out, man. Never. So I use the pressure washer on it. Here, let's clean it up. Well, there it is, at least 53, 54-year-old canoe. And she's good as new. You can tell how old this boat is because look at this is the 70s, man. This is flower power. That's funny. Wow. Don't ever throw an old boat out, man. They're worth it, unless they're broken. But this ain't broken.